Really awesome. The print came out well. It's a nice soft material, the Gildan one. Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I review PrintBest. All right, it's a print-on-demand provider. If you guys are unaware of what that is, I break it down all in this video. And Christine, she let me use her illustration that she created. If you guys are unaware of who that is, down below in the description is the link to her YouTube channel. She shows you how to create and how she creates all these illustrations. They're really amazing, right? And she let me use the white snow leopard, I believe it was. Really awesome artwork. Thank you very much, by the way. Okay. And if you guys get any value out of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let's get into the content. Yo, what's going on? PrintBest right here. PrintBest. It's a print-on-demand provider. So you can see print-on-demand dropshipping that helps you profit. Okay. This is pretty cool. T-shirts. 1 to 2 day printing available. So it depends on the product, right? It depends on the brand of the shirt, basically. It depends on the brand of the shirt, but we're going to test this in this video. So I'm going to take you to the whole process. This is everything. You can see the front end. So we're going to order a shirt and I'm going to see if it gets here. It gets printing in 1 to 2 days. And of course, shipping, I want to say, let's see, maybe 3 to 7 business days. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out in this video. Hoodies, 1 to 2 day printing available, 1 to 2 day printing available on some drinkware, tank tops, and there's nothing up there. All right, come over here, explore all their products. You can see they have a ton of different products on here on the platform, and it's add your designs to over 71 custom merch products, drop ship them to anywhere in the US and Canada, all just in a few days. So they ship to United States and Canada from the looks of it. So, and also too, platforms that they integrate with, WooCommerce, Shopify, and Etsy. There's a big potential right here for Etsy. Etsy is an awesome platform, by the way. If you can, use them to ship products to your customers on Etsy would be an awesome thing too as well. Shopify, your own website, WooCommerce, your own website too as well. So if you can leverage them to get traffic and get, all that good stuff, and it'll be really amazing. Because I know that just with with everything, with all the demand and all the online purchasing, some of these print providers, their print times are like a little bit out, right? And it's either one, find someone new, or two, see if you can just put your print times out a little bit, or three, get your own printer, right? And do your own thing, or link up with somebody that's a local business and see if they can actually print out your shirts in a decent time frame. So when I see this right here, the printing times and stuff like that, that's kind of sticks out to me. So I came across this website. I was just doing some research and I came across this website, PrintBest. So if you guys are unaware, and basically how this works is when you get an order in, right, you put your design so when you get an order in, let's say you sell an order, you're going to use them and you're going to put your design, they print it and they ship it, and it kind of gives you an idea of the process right here. So for example, if you're selling on Etsy, you have your listing up on Etsy and you have it all pretty, and a customer makes a purchase on Etsy, they basically, when you upload a design to them, they print it and then they ship it, and it says we drop ship the printed order straight to your customer without any PrintBest branding. Okay, we fulfill the order by printing the item of your design fastest 1 to 2 days. So that's really cool. Okay, so if they're getting it out that fast, I know making this video and all these people are going to come over, and then all this is going to mess up all the shipping times. I think that's just a normal thing, right? When more and more people, the shipping times kind of get pushed out a little bit. But it's also your job to make sure you're on top of that, communicating with your customer. Yeah, so here it is. You gotta just go through the whole process, sign up. Let's put an order in. I want to order a sample order and have it shipped to me. All right, so PrintBest is catalog. It says men's, women's, kids clothing, drinkware, stuff like that. So let's come over here to the men's clothing. All right, let's just look at a regular t-shirt. Okay, let's see what they're pricing at. So Gildan, they're doing 1 to 2 days printed, then shipped. So 2 days. So let's say you order it, say it takes 2 days to print, and then they ship out. They're saying that they're going to ship out on the third or fourth day. Okay, and then you can see like different brands other than Gildan. The prices, the print time, 2 to 5 business days. You can see all the prices down below right here. Reasonably priced, pretty good price. Let's go to page 2. You see, like one of the most popular ones is the Bella Canvas 3001C, printed in 2 to 5 business days. Okay, so now the time is a little bit more out, as you can see. But if you're complaining, get your own damn printer, or try to figure out what you can do with working with someone local, because if you're gonna complain about that, they gotta watch their butt too, and they're just doing it as fast as they can. They have their own system and stuff like that in place on printing the shirts and getting them out to the customers. So it seems like it's part of the game now, guys. And if you guys run into any issues like this, I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of that. So yeah, this is really cool. I want to test one of these shirts out, Gildan, 1 to 2 days, and see how fast it gets to me. So yeah, I'm gonna put a design on one of these ones and get it shipped to me. But they're doing these ones in 1 to 2 days, so that's pretty fast. So let's test that bad boy out. So this is the PrintBest dashboard. You can see how they're doing the dashboard, my stores, my billing, orders, add billing address, affiliate program. I'm gonna have my affiliate link down below for sure for this video. So if you guys are going to use them, make sure you go through them. And if you guys want me to make any content related around them, let me know too as well. As long as I'll answer any questions and help out, as long as you guys go through my affiliate link, hook a brother up, because I get some type of award off of that and a percentage off of that. And of course, I'm making this video right here to give you guys understanding of how they work. So yeah, no, pretty cool dashboard, and you can see what they're doing, everything right here. Really, really awesome. All right, so I came over here to the catalog. Come over here, clicked on, I'm gonna order this Gildan right here. Get a sample, so my store, so gives you 2 options. Get samples printed and shipped to you so you can see them yourself. Click on that one. You know what I'm saying? Let that load, give it a second. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and order a small. This is gonna be for my girlfriend. Turnaround time, order now, I had to make shipping by Friday, June 25 p.m. Okay. Upload a design. Oh, this is nice. It's my first time doing this, guys, by the way. So if you guys are unaware, this is pretty cool. They have like a whole little template where you can actually add numbers and stuff like that. This is really cool. So I'm gonna add also too, Christine gave me a design, and I'm gonna put her information down below in the description. Thank you very much for letting me use this design. I wanted to test it, and we're obviously going to put it up on this shirt. It's a white snow leopard. Pretty cool, huh? This is really cool. I like what they're doing right here. This is really awesome. Freaking cool. Okay, make sure we got it. We got to look at the alignment stuff right in the middle. This is really cool. I love it. So another thing too, when you guys are doing this type of stuff, it's better to be safe. So make sure you guys are staying inside the print area. Don't want to make it too big where you're like touching the lines, right? You just want it to be like right in the middle. Okay. So yeah, and then I think this is really cool how you can add your own text and stuff like that, and then name for number in the back. That's really cool. You can edit everything right here on this interface right here. So really, really cool. All right, so now this looks pretty good. So generate preview. All right, it says I may take 7 to 10. Oh, it's right there, 10. Okay, $8.32. Flat free shipping available. Add to cart. Yeah, it looks good. Back printing, none. Accept, add to cart. Loading. All right. Okay, they're charging $3.99 for shipping. Looks like. Okay, proceed to checkout. All right, I'm gonna put in all my shipping information, so I'm gonna fill this out real fast, and yeah. All right, so just in case you guys want to order a sample and you just barely created an account, you want to come over here to, it'll say like add billing address. You want to add it right there, okay? And right now it says updated because I just added it to there. For some reason when I was going through checkout, it wouldn't let me check out unless I came over here and did that. And then proceed to checkout. And of course I'm gonna blur out some of this stuff right here. It says right here, so it gives you the different types of shipping methods, all right? So it's a pretty cool that they give you, like multiple, like a different types of shipping options. Flat, okay, I'll use the $3.99 one. So it's gonna take 5 days to get here. Flat rate shipping. Then they have a USPS standard. Okay, UPS standard, USPS. UPS standard, which is $14. UPS worldwide, $26. You get the point. You see it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and press next. So my total is right here. It should be roughly around $12.31. It should be $12.31, of course, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and add all my credit card information. I'll be right back. All right, so if you go over to your dashboard, go to My Orders, and obviously it'll show you all the information here when the order was placed. And then you can just, this is where the tracking information will be updated to track the status. We'll do like a checkup in a few days, and I'll check the status of it. And then of course, when we get we'll open the shirt when it gets here, when it gets delivered. So yeah. All right, so I'm in the back end of PrintBest, and so I placed the order on June 18th, right? You can see that they updated all the tracking information. The status is shipped. It's been delivered already. Of course, as me making this video, the tracking information. So it took, from 6/18, and it was delivered. I'm gonna blur out some of this stuff. Was delivered on July 1st. Okay, so printed. It was in the process of doing everything. It took about, I want to say like a good 5 to 7 days, and then it took when it was shipped. So it took from me to get here to me. It was printed on. So we placed the order on the 18th, which is Friday. And then we didn't get it until the 1st. So we won't count the first day. We won't count Saturday, Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9 business days to get to me. So us placing the order. So it took about, like I said, the first week of processing, probably picking, processing, and doing all that stuff. And then the printing and then shipping all together. To me personally, in California, it took about 9 business days. So it all depends, right? Of course. And also I made one little mistake. By the way, I didn't put the correct city. I did the autocomplete with my Google and it changed the city. I sent them a message. Okay. And they reached out to me. They fixed it really fast. They fixed it within the same day. So with me making an error, okay, on my end, sometimes we do that. Sometimes I didn't put the correct city and they fixed it and it still got to me within 9 business days. So that's actually pretty good, right? Even with the error, it probably would have been faster if it didn't have that error. But it's something that, you have to test out. But we're using these print providers, right? And of course, there's certain orders probably get out faster than others. But me personally, that's why I want to make this review video, show you how long it took. Yeah, it's not that bad, right? I don't think it is. It got out pretty fast, pretty decent timing. But I know that it said it took like 1 to 2 days to print, but that was my first order, right? So yeah, a total of 9 business days for shipping, for printing and shipping and getting to me in California. All right, guys. So the shirt came in this little package, just, a normal white package. And then it came in nice and folded like this, as you can see. And then it came with a recommended care instructions for the DTG printed garment. So it gives you the instructions on how to wash it, which is really cool, right? Now, this is the shirt. I ordered the Gildan soft style ring spun. It's a small, as you can see right there. And obviously, I can't fit a small, so I ordered it for my girlfriend. Let's open the bad boy up. Now, this design right here, as you can see the print came out really nice, and this illustration is Kristen's illustration, so her information will be down below in the description. Follow her YouTube channel. Really awesome. The print came out well. It's a nice soft material, the Gildan one. It smells nice and soft. Okay, as you can see, get a little bit of a closer look of the print so you can see. Boom, boom.